Good morning. This video is intended to look at spinner balancing and what the issues are with getting a good result in balancing our spinners. One of the problems that we have is that the majority of spinners, the majority of balance units, come with these 1/8 inch rods. They're good for the majority of applications, but when it comes to larger spinners, it is not as good. So what I did was I took the regular Dubro balancer and I wound up drilling holes in a 1 foot by 1/4 inch aluminum plate, and I placed the Dubro posts into this plate. I also purchased a 4-inch new True Turn spinner to test out this the new fixture. So basically, I bought a whole bunch of shafts that are hardened and ground so that I would have absolutely zero wobble. I also made and shrunk fit a what I would call a plug that would fit into the back plate and keep the back plate perfectly square to the shaft. So the other issue is many times many balancers come with this type of a stopper to center the spinner, and as you will see, it is not a good outcome. So here is this new 4-inch Ultimate spinner. It is as advertised. It does not need any balancing whatsoever, and if you notice how the spin is perfectly centered, the weight is balanced, and there is no wobble in the spinner at all. And what we are actually measuring is the spinner balance. So as you can see, I have no markings. I just put it together, and it's pretty good. All right. So now what I'm going to also do is I will take this same spinner and put it on a thinner shaft, on the 1/8 inch shaft, using both these rubber grommets to hold the shaft in, and then you will see a different results with the same actual spinner that we've determined to be balanced. Okay, here's now the same spinner on a 1/8 inch hardened ground shaft that is to within 1,000th grinding, and the same spinner utilizing these rubber stoppers shows that the spinner is out of balance. So because we are not centering the shaft to the spinner properly, okay, you're going to show that the spinner is out of balance. So here we're going to put some tape. We're going to put some tape to see how much out of balance we are. So as you can see, the same spinner that had zero wobble and was perfectly balanced is now out of balance. So you're spending $80, $90, $100 on a spinner, and you go and verify it, and you wind up modifying that spinner. So we put a heck of a lot of tape on that. So you wind up modifying the spinner, and you actually are making it out of balance. See? So it's still, so all we changed here was the method by which we kept the spinner fixed. And as you can see, we're still out of balance. So what I'm trying to do here is to come up with a method that is kind of foolproof, and I came up with the old Dubro fixture had these little cones that would be pressed in with a spring, and unfortunately the Dubro original shaft is around 121 thousandths, and this ground shaft is 125, so these won't fit on this shaft, so I can't make a test. I'm going to make some new of these, just like I made for the 3/16, so that I could have one that would fit onto this, to see if the 1/8 inch shaft should work. I see no reason why it won't work, but it's something left to try. So in any case, the way you do your setup can determine your outcome. That's it. Thank you.